I'm going to compare Monopoly Go and Coin Master. Monopoly Go and Coin Master are both popular mobile games, but they offer different gameplay experiences. Monopoly Go is a digital version of the classic board game Monopoly, where players buy, trade, and develop properties to bankrupt their opponents. The game combines traditional Monopoly mechanics with quick rounds and a more casual approach, making it easy to pick up and play. Players can enjoy various themed boards and compete against friends or other players online. Coin Master, on the other hand, is a casual, slot machine-style game where players spin to earn coins, loot, and attack or raid other players' villages. The goal is to build and upgrade your village while using strategies to disrupt others. Coin Master incorporates elements of luck and chance, and it often features events and social interactions, allowing players to connect with friends. If you enjoy strategic gameplay and the classic board game experience, Monopoly Go is a great choice. However, if you prefer a more casual and luck-based game with social elements, Coin Master may be the better option. Your choice will depend on your gaming preferences and style.